Let's review another new slime I found in B&M, and this is half the price of the Compound Kings one I reviewed yesterday. So when I was in B&M looking for some new slime and found that Compound King one, I saw these fishbowl slimes. There was an under the sea one which was pinky purple with mermaids and fishbowl beads in it, which I was gonna get, but I decided to be less obvious for a change and went for the basic fishbowl one, even though it does look super like gross, the colour, like mucusy. I always say mucus, I'm so sorry, but it is like a mucus colour. These are £3. They're pretty big. I was fully aware that this was probably going to be like a water slime because you could kind of see it jiggling like jelly in the pot, but yeah, it comes in a really cool little container. It's sealed on top, and then there's 3 little fishes on the top, which are really cute. The add-ins for this are adorable, but the texture is exactly like what I thought. It's a proper jiggly mess. And it's really rippy as well. Like, I wouldn't even say this is like a proper water slime. Like, water slime should have some sort of stretch to it. It does kind of make water slime sounds, although you can't really tell because of the fishbowl beads in there and then the fishes. But yeah, it rips. The fishbowl beads just ping out everywhere. And then those fishes really don't stick in at all. So I didn't play with this too much. I decided to try and fix it. I did want to see if I could get some sort of stretch out of it, but it's very, very, very full of water, this. So I did go in with some glycerin, and it didn't really do a lot, to be honest. I think what this is, it's basically PVA glue, a lot of water and a lot of activator. So I did go in with clear glue and a lot of clear glue and even more glycerin and even more clear glue and even more glycerin after that, because as soon as you added the clear glue, it like instantly activated into the slime. Like, I would dread to think how much borax is actually in this slime, because it's not normal to add that much glue into a slime and for it to just instantly like solidify and go stringy in there. That's why I ended up adding so much glycerin into it. I think if I'd have kept going, it might have pulled together, but the glue that I was using is quite like rare because it's been discontinued and it's a good glue and I didn't want to waste it, so I kind of gave up at this point. As you can see, it's not rippy anymore. It definitely needs loads of glycerin in here. Again, I think the borax levels in this slime are very, very high, but even then there was still like fishbowl beads pinging out and it was just not nice. I just gave up. If you want me to keep trying, I might rip off like a smaller part and try and fix it in like a few days, but I just was like over it at this point because I'd put like a good half an hour into this slime and it was just looking like this. So yeah, I really do not recommend buying this at all. There are £2 slimes in B&M that are 10 times better than this. So yeah, I'd avoid it at all costs. It's not worth it.